Welcome to Magic Indicator Strategies. In this video, we will teach you a very accurate trading strategy that features one of the most powerful indicators on TradingView. This trading algorithm is suitable for beginners as well as for advanced traders. It can produce a lot of high-quality signals per day. So if you're a day trader who wants to make a sustainable career in this business, this strategy can help you get there fast. You do not need any premium or paid indicators for this strategy. The combination of indicators we found produces 100% better results than some premium tools that cost a lot of money. This method works for Forex, cryptocurrencies, and stocks. It shows excellent results on shorter time frames such as 5 minutes, 15 minutes, and 1 hour. As we mentioned, you only need 3 free TradingView indicators for this strategy: the MACD, UT Bot Alerts, and VWAP indicator. By the end of this short video, you will learn the entry rules for this strategy, the money management behind it, and how to build this setup. Traders, before we start, be sure to click the like button on this video and subscribe to Magic Indicator Strategies. Our mission with this channel is to turn you into a successful trader as fast as possible. Before we proceed to the trading rules, let's first understand what a MACD indicator is. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence (MACD) oscillator is a momentum indicator designed to show the relationship between two sets of moving averages. The MACD subtracts the long-term EMA from the short-term EMA to produce an indicator that reflects both trend and momentum. The indicator consists of 3 elements: a MACD line, which measures the distance between two moving averages; the signal line, which identifies changes in price momentum; and the histogram, which represents the difference between the MACD and signal line. When the MACD line crosses the signal line, this is an indication of a short-term momentum change. When both of the lines cross the 0 level, this usually indicates a shift in a longer-term trend. The next indicator we have on our chart is called Volume Weighted Average Price, or VWAP. This is a technical analysis indicator used on intraday charts that resets at the start of every new trading session. It's a trading benchmark that represents the average price a security has traded at throughout the day, based on both volume and price. VWAP is used in different ways by traders. Traders may use VWAP as a trend confirmation tool and build trading rules around it. We will use VWAP as a baseline for our strategy. The third indicator of our strategy is UT Bot Alerts. This is a simple buy and sell indicator that is based on the average true range. The average true range, or ATR, is an indicator that measures market volatility. It's used in technical analysis and shows how much an asset's price moves, on average, during a given time frame. Based on this information, the indicator finds the most optimal prices for entering long and short trades. Okay, now that we know how these indicators function, let's break down the exact conditions for buy and sell trades. So, for a buy signal to be valid, the following must be met. First, a buy label must be printed below the price bar. Second, at the time the signal is issued, the price bar must be fully above the VWAP blue line. Third, the MACD histogram should be colored green. If the bar is light green, you should not enter the trade. Lastly, check the position of the most recent bullish cross on the MACD against the 0 level. The cross must occur above the middle line. Open a buy trade at the close of the current price bar if these rules are in place. Set the stop loss below the most recent swing low. Exit a winning long trade as soon as the indicator prints a sell label. Here are a couple more examples of buy trades. Watch how the MACD indicator filters out false signals. Here we see the candlestick price is above the VWAP. A buy signal was issued. The MACD is green and the cross happened above 0. Traders, it's very critical to stick to the strategy rules we just showed you. Sometimes the risk-reward ratio can be really high. This is a major secret to making a lot of money from trading. Traders, if you're enjoying the content, be sure to click the like button and subscribe to Magic Indicator Strategies. You're becoming a better trader day by day by watching our videos. Alright, now let's learn how to enter short trades. First, the indicator must issue a signal to sell. Second, at the time the signal is present, the price bar must be below the VWAP band. Third, the MACD histogram should be red. If the bar is colored in light red, the signal is invalid. Lastly, check the position of the most recent cross on the MACD. The cross needs to be below the middle level. If these conditions are present, place an order to sell at the close of the price bar. Set your stop loss above the most recent swing high and exit a winning short trade once you receive a signal to buy. If you follow these rules, you'll be amazed at how well this strategy works. So how exactly should you add these indicators to the chart? Well, first log into TradingView and open the chart of any asset. Then head over to the Indicators menu and search for the first tool, which is called Moving Average Convergence Divergence. You can find this indicator under Technicals. Leave its settings on default. For the second tool, search for Volume Weighted Average Price. Choose this indicator right here. Its settings will also remain by default. Finally, for the third indicator, add UT bot alerts. Select this one that was created by Quant Nomad. Access its settings and change the ATR period to 5. That's it, the strategy is ready. In order to save your time, you can create alerts for these buy and sell signals. The way you can do that is by clicking on the alert button at the top and selecting the UT bot alerts indicator as the condition. As for the signal, you can choose buy, sell, or even both. Set the alert to occur once per bar close. Once you've finished, click Create. You will be notified every time the indicator prints a signal. Make sure to check if the rest of the conditions are met before entering the trade. We tested this strategy on the price of Bitcoin on the 5 minutes time frame. The strategy had a win ratio close to 90%. This is truly amazing and we're happy to share it with you. Thanks for watching this video. Till the next one.